Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Toyota Yaris remote. Before we begin, please gather all the remotes you intend to program. Make sure the driver's door is open and unlocked, with all other doors securely closed. Also, ensure your key is completely out of the ignition switch. This preparation helps ensure a smooth programming process for all your remotes. To enter programming mode, first, insert and remove your key from the ignition 2 times within a 5-second window. Next, close and open the driver's door 2 times, making sure to complete this within 40 seconds. Then, insert the key into the ignition 1 more time and immediately remove it. This sequence prepares your vehicle for remote registration. Now, let's register your remote. Close and open the driver's door 2 times within 40 seconds. Insert the key into the ignition and close the door. Turn the ignition switch from the lock position to on and then back to lock just 1 time. Immediately after, press both the lock and unlock buttons on your remote simultaneously for 1.5 seconds. To finalize, within 3 seconds of releasing the lock and unlock buttons, press the remote's lock button by itself for 1 second. The power door lock should cycle once, confirming successful programming. If you have more remotes, repeat the last 2 steps for each. Finally, open the driver's door to exit programming mode. Test all your remotes to ensure they work correctly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.